Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's another shopping venture out to my favorite store, the Dollar Tree, and you have got to see the amazing things that I spotted that I could not wait to share. So let's dive in. Now, I'm starting off in home decor. I spotted these beautiful framed art pieces. Now, this is a three-dimensional piece because there is a painted palm leaf that is framed on this picture. I think this is so gorgeous. They also have this one as well, and you can open it up and paint it any color you want, but for $125, the quality of these is so nice. Now check these out. This is a returning item that is really popular. These are those rattan style wrapped hearts, you guys, and they come in 3 different colors and they hang on a piece of white ribbon. Another great home decor item for $125. This is also a part of that collection and it's returning as well. So they have this little heart that looks like it has a little rustic beads around it. $1.25, you guys. You just cannot beat that price for these items. Now over in the wearables, they have new men's boxer briefs. Now, a few weeks ago, I showed you the ones that were in a boxed collection, but if you grab these that are in the plastic bag, these are $150. The boxed ones are $4, and they have the same type of character prints. So you can get a lot of the licensed prints, and you can get some fun novelty prints like candies and avocados and chili peppers. It's all up to you, but for $1.25, these are great. Now they do have sizes from small to extra large, which is really great. And look, they even have Bob Ross. I mean, everybody has to have a pair of Bob Ross boxer briefs, right? So they have your nostalgic kind of candy versions. They do have some card playing type of versions. I mean, just look through it and see what your Dollar Tree has. They always have an expanded variety at different stores. So this is why it's so important to try to visit multiple stores in your area, because the very selection will vary by the store that you visit. But I do hope you find these. These make great stocking stuffers and Christmas gifts for family and friends. Over in the kitchen section, I found more measuring spoon sets. This time, I found them in Minnie and Mickey Mouse versions. Now, these are 5-piece spoon sets. Here's one in a Winnie the Pooh version with all of the little characters on each one of those spoons. They have the Stitch 5-piece spoon version, and then they also had spatulas. Now these spatulas all have wooden handles, and the silicone spatula with Pooh, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, SpongeBob, all the fun characters. Now I love that it does have that wooden handle and the little hole at the top, so you can actually hang it on the hook if you wanted to, but they did have a large variety of these available at the Dollar Tree as well. Again, great for gift giving if you like kitchen based gift items. Now I did see a couple packs of these silly looking straws. So this is the Garfield version. It has 3 swirly, turny, spinny type of straws with Garfield. And then they had a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. These are the only 2 styles that I did see at my Dollar Tree, but keep on the lookout. There may even be more out there lurking. So make sure you go on the hunt for those. If you like Coke and Coca-Cola, they have the Coke and Coca-Cola bucket. This is the large kind of ice bucket. And then they also have the clear acrylic style cups. Now I think these are really great. They're really great quality too. And if you didn't want the acrylic type of cup, right next to it, they had a 2-pack cup. This is like the tumbler size cup here. And they had all of the little logos printed on that cup. Great if you want 2 pieces or a single piece. Now, speaking of tumblers, I went over to the kid section. They have these mini toddler size tumblers. How cute are they? So you can get them for your toddler, or you can use them as novelty gifts to print things on with your Cricut. I think that would be great. And I did see these in the orange and mint color. I swung by the books to see if there was anything new, and they had fitness books on the shelf. So the first one was concentrating on your core. And I did take a quick flip through. I love that they have detailed illustrations in it. Sometimes pictures are a better guide than reading a bunch of content. But yes, they did have one focusing on the core. They also have one here. This one is all about Pilates. So if you're into Pilates, you can pick that one up. And they had a yoga version, $1.50 for the books. In the tool section, this was a score. This is a magnetic tray. If you guys know anything about tools and trays, you know that these things can be expensive. Now, I love that they're magnetic because they have a non-slip rubber back and they're magnetic on any metal surface. I stuck it on one of the bars here and it does stick very well and it sticks very strong, but it's mainly to keep all your screws and bolts and loose metal items inside so they do not come out for $150. Now, I did see one at Harbor Freight. They're $2.99 there, double the price, so make sure you get it for $1.50 at Dollar Tree. Over in health and beauty, more Real Clean items have showed up. This is the Real Clean extra large makeup wipes. I found the other two versions of the other two products last week, but this one I spotted at Walmart for $7.98. It's only $1.25 at Dollar Tree, so make sure you get it there. They also have the Spascriptions version. This is the collagen facial cleaning wipes. It's got the probiotics and hyaluronic acid. This one is also a really great deal and is selling out quickly at my stores, so make sure you check those out. These are really great. They are returning from last year and I am here for it because I do love this line. This is the coconut oil and lime collection. They do come with several items. This is the body wash. They also have a coconut oil and lime body scrub, and they also have a mist. This is the body mist. This is a really popular item. I noticed that it doesn't last long when it's on the shelves. Great for Christmas gifts. Now, right next to it, they had another one. This is the Rosé Champagne Wishes collection. And this is the body wash and bubble bath combo here. So they did have a bottle of that. Next to it, they had the body scrub if you love a nice satisfying body scrub. And of course, the mist was included in this as well. This is the fragrance mist. All of these pieces are $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. I noticed they had some new lip products. This is by the Taste Squad. So they had all kinds of flavors here. Candy Bar Crunch, Mocha Latte Lip Balm. Don't not worry, be happy. That's fun. Sweet flavored lip balm, ice cream poppin' over the moon. They had 6 all together and these look so fun. If you're looking to travel soon or want a travel size bottle, Must Have Beauty has come out with this collection of the TSA friendly sized travel bottles in multiple pastel colors. Now, I've seen this little hand washed before at Dollar Tree, but I've never seen the warm vanilla bean or the fresh lemon versions. This is new to me. I've never seen these scents at my store, but be on the lookout for those for $1.25. Also, I saw this discount card. Now, these Lotus conditioners are usually $3 at Dollar Tree. They're reducing them all to $1.25. This is a huge bottle. I did pick up this one. Again, $1.25 for these huge bottles, so you can grab those up. There's so many things you can do with conditioner. I did find another name brand item that was a score. These are the Halls Minis sugar-free cough and sore throat drops. You guys, when I saw these, I thought they were a plus item, but they were not. They are $1.25, you guys. I did take a look online. I did see them being sold at Walgreens for $4.99 each. So make sure you get them at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Over in the food section, I love that they have ready heat and go meals. This is by Timewise. So they do have this one, which is tomato basil. And look, it's only 230 calories for the whole bag, which is right up my alley. It's heat and serve and ready to go. Now, another one that they had in this line was the Alfredo. This is another heat and go item. Just pour it out, and you can easily add a protein to it to make it like a full meal, but the calorie count is low. It comes with a generous amount, so I do appreciate that about these. Now, the last one I found was this one. This is the Cajun style dirty rice. Really great product. I noticed that this one, if I can hold it in my hand, it's just so hot. It just jumped out of my hand. It's $3.50, but you can divide this into 2 servings and use it as a side dish. And one thing that's great about these, they all don't expire to 2027. Now, name brand items, look at this Knorr brand sopa. These are the Elbows Coditos tomato soup mix. You guys, this is a really great deal for $1.25 because Knorr products are always on the pricier side. I did look online and find them on Walmart for $2.30, but you can get them for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. These were also another new item. So this is a coconut milk drink. So they had this one, which is the original coconut milk drink. That was a nice find. And then at another store, I found two more. You can get that coconut milk drink in a banana flavor, and you can also get it in a mango flavor. Now, these did look good. If you've tried these, let me know in the comments below how they were. They really did look pretty interesting, and I know for $1.25 they've got to be a deal. If you love your bubble tea, they have some popping boba teas. They have them in a passion fruit and they have them in mixed berry. I have not seen these in the clear bottles before. And Capri Sun, are they doing away with the foil packs now? They have them now in a bottle, and I did see them in kiwi strawberry. And this was a really unique find because I love that they have more of a quantity in here. They are $1.25, but at the Food Depot, I'm seeing them for $1.65. So Dollar Tree for the win on the Dollar Tree price for $1.25. Now, this was also another score. These are the Lucky Charms cereal bars. Now, these are 2.5 ounces each for $1.25 for both of these. Now, I did look online. They're being sold $1.79 a piece for one that's only 1.7 ounces. So definitely get them at the Dollar Tree. You get more than double for the money. I love these round circular placemats that are glitter. They are back at the Dollar Tree. I'm really excited that they are here. So if you see them, grab them. They usually don't last long. Now, with the prices continuously changing at the Dollar Tree, this is a reminder that Dollar Tree has a free app that has a built-in scanner, so you could check prices while you shop. And this is going to be linked down in my description box below to download it. So now we're going to head over to the plus section. There are a few things I wanted to share. And first of all, they have new crates and I am excited for it. Okay, so this first crate is really nice. This is a $5 crate. It measures 1.8 by 6 by 3 3/4. And this crate is solid wood made in the USA, and it's only $5. Now, the next one underneath it is just slightly larger. This one is also made in the USA. It's 11.8 by 9.5 by 4 3/4. And this larger size is $6. And then the large crate that is the traditional size, you know, the one that we see all the time, that one is still in stock for $10. This is the huge crate that we always see standard at Michael's and any other craft stores. They still have that one. That one is $10 as well. So you could check all the new crates out in the plus section at the Dollar Tree. Again, this one is $10. Now, this was a fun item, and you know what? It did not last long. This is the Drip Bear. I didn't realize how popular these were until they sold out. They have pour over paint in a marble style. Sold out. $7 a piece. You better get them when you see them. Also, right next to it, they have these. These are called Teeny Tinies, mini foods for mini fridges. So if you have the mini fridge or on that mini fridge trend, check out all of these small miniature products that you can fill your mini fridges with. They had 2 packs at the Dollar Tree available, and I believe that these are $7 a piece. They also had some candles, you guys, new candles. They have white sandalwood, and they have this other one here that is pomegranate and amber. They're both 14 ounces. The candles are $5 at Dollar Tree. Now, they did have some K-cup boxes there, which are surprising. There's 10 K-cups in this package. They did have them in a light and medium roast. Now, you might think 10 K-cups for $5, that's a little much. But when I looked online, I saw a 24 pack for $13.19. That makes each K-cup 55 cents versus the 50 cents at Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree for the win on this deal. If you're looking for nice, warm, cozy slippers, the Dollar Tree has come out with a couple of them. Now, these are really cute. The happy faces with the Santa hat on them. These are marked for $5. I think these are so cute and cozy for the holidays. Now, if you didn't want a holiday kind of slipper, they have these. They are pink, kind of like a velvety corduroy finish with a little bow on top and real soft, cushy foam bottom. These are also in that footwear section marked $5. And check these out. These are like white fuzzy ones with the little bows on them. I think these are adorable as well. You guys, make sure you look out for slippers. They're probably one of the #1 Christmas gifts, so they will sell quickly. Now check it out. If you're watching my video on the 29th or 30th of October, I wanted to let you know that there is a free shipping code live right now at DollarTree.com. So be sure to take advantage of it if you're looking to place an order online to get free shipping to your front door. Now, if you missed my Dollar Tree video last week featuring even more amazing finds, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope you find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier by knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.